Hello friends, I'm here with question number 7. Create a playbook called timesync.yml and use system role. Actually, I have put 7.1 because either you get a timesync.yml question in your real-time exam scenario or SC Linux one. So I'll show you both. First, I'm going to show you 7.1, how you will solve this question. Guys, when uh, install Rel system role package, uh, there are some extra packages, about 8 to 10 packages get installed on your machine. You know that we also create some custom role and some we download from Ansible Galaxy. But here in this case, we have to install a real system role package. In the exam repository is already set. You just have to run this command. Let's go to our machine. I'm going to show you how you have to solve this question. So first of all, you will run this command, sudo system sudo yum install rel hyphen system hyphen roles space hyphen y. Okay, so nothing to do in my case because I have already installed it. Once you install this, you will see this path. You should memorize this path. If you don't know, just ls long list, and you will see number of other packages here like time sync sa linux, right? So these packages get installed, and guys, you remember that we have already downloaded uh, rel system role in our my collection directory, and in the exam path will be given to install that, and we have to go to that directory first. Okay, I'm gonna ls here, and you can see we have rel system role time sync. So what you have to do, you we have a we have another directory that is roles directory under Ansible. So we have to move uh, this rel system role to that roles directory. So what we'll do, we'll just write put hyphen r f also. Then time sync, and we have to take this to Ansible. Sorry, there is something wrong with my laptop, I think. Ansible, and then under Ansible we have roles directory. Okay, so we have to move this to or this directory, hit enter. Okay, so it's done. Let's go to our role directory, come out of this directory, and see if we have this rel system role time sync there. So we have here, right? Rel system role time sync here. So it's good. Now we have to create this playbook. Playbook name is timesync.yml. So we are gonna go to our Ansible directory. Look here, we are here. We have to create that time sync.yml here. I have already created. I'm just gonna show you what I have put there. Yes. So as per our question, we have to run this playbook on all managed nodes. So that is why I have put here host all wars time sync hyphen ntp hyphen servers and host name hyphen host name, and this will be given. This will be your company's. You can just imagine that this is your company's ntp server ip address, right? You have to put that here, and then this is a keyword iburst. You have to put this, and then role name is hyphen rel system hyphen roles dot time sync. This is these are the syntax you have to put here. These are the parameters, everything. Once you are done with this, just save it. Sorry guys, my laptop is taking some time. I will look into it that to fix it, that there is something wrong with it. So once you are done with this, but before running this playbook, I just want to show you one more thing, just in case if you forget this code, how you will how you can get it. So go back to our roles directory. I show you how you can get it. Here you can see this rel. Go to this directory. You are here, right? Let me show you again. ls. You see here this file read.md. Okay, go to this file. Okay, once you are here, what you can do, move upward and escape. Sorry, it's giving me hard time to move up. Okay, so we are here. You just have to copy this line and paste it in your playbook. Let me come out of it. So here, I just want to show you that what you can do, but I'm not making any changes here. I'm sorry, guys, my laptop is really working very bad at the moment. I just want to show you that what you can do here. My God, my laptop is not helping me. So, look here. You just have to put host all because you have to run this playbook on all manage node. So in place of target, you will put all. and var it will remain same, and this parameter will remain same. uh, Here you will just here host name, in place of host name you will put the IP address which will be given in your exam, and next parameter is yes, and all other you do not have to use, you just delete them. Okay, take them out, this one, second one, and this third one we don't need, only we need one. And then the line here you have to put this. So this is how you have to get this code if you do not remember it. Okay, so this is what I just wanted to show you, and I'm not going to save it because I'm good with my. Okay, once you are done with this, you have to run this playbook. You should run, first dry run it, and rather check the syntax first and then dry run it. It's up to you. Or you can run, without doing checking it. I mean, without dry run. So let's see if I'm gonna run it, what happens. So in my case, everything is green because I already ran it before just to check everything is good. So you know that Ansible is idempotent; it will not install the same thing again once it is already done with the task. So everything should be green. Second time you run it, if the everything is successfully done in that case, right? But once you run the playbook first time, you will see yellowish thing there if there is no error, like this, S- So some task, because I did not ran it, I only check using dry run. So on some nodes, it's showing yellowish. So it will take some time. It's gonna end soon. Low is done. So when you see this result, you are good. It means you have solved this question successfully in your exam. So guys, I'm very sorry it took a little long, but I I guess you have learned something out of it. And if you think that this is helpful for you, please subscribe my channel, share this video, like this video, and hit the bell icon so that you get notification of the new stuff. Thank you very much for watching this video. Bye guys, see you in the next video.